3 a.m., 3 p.m. 3 a.m. is not spiritual. It's not. That's not true. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Do you know they lied to you about 3 a.m. being spiritual and secret and positive? That's not true. 3 a.m. is not spiritual or positive. And do you know the connection between 3 a.m. and 3 p.m.? 3 p.m. is the best and most golden and most positive time of the day, which has very high energy, and all positive, helpful, useful beings reach their highest degree of power, thanks to God. But you have to be very careful, because there are so many delusional people who told you about 3 a.m. being secret and spiritual, do meditation and yoga and so many mantras. No, do not do that. Oh God, no, 3 a.m. is not spiritual. 3 a.m. is the darkest, heaviest, hardest before sunrise. I have already said, you know what? No matter how wicked and evil 3 a.m. is, it cannot stop sunrise. And that's awesome. Thanks God. But you have to be very careful, because we know God has highest power. We know that, but about 3 a.m., it's not spiritual, secret, or positive. No, it's not true. 3 a.m., you know, it's not positive. It's a negative. For many people, it can be unhelpful and troublesome. So don't trust liars and delusional people who lie to you about 3 a.m. They deceive you and they say that 3 a.m. is spiritual. It's not true. It's not true. In this hour, look, it's not a joke at all. You know, there is something very unknown about 3 a.m. And there are so many unknown things in this multiverse around us, and even in our body, our mind, our soul. There are so many unknown things we don't know, and we have to be very careful. Because energy don't lie. And energy has power. helpful, unhelpful, positive, negative. You should be very careful. So, the liars, they say that 3 a.m. is spiritual. It's not true. In this hour, in 3 a.m., in this hour, 3 a.m., 3 in the morning, बिखरी हुई आत्माएं, what does that mean? The wandering spirits and the evil ones become more powerful, and this is not a joke at all. Because energy can help you, energy can harm you. And it's true. 3 p.m. I want to talk about the connection between 3 p.m. and 3 a.m. 3 p.m. is the most golden time, most sacred, spiritual time of the day, yes. But dark entities, unhelpful, and dark forces chose exactly the opposite of this time, 3 a.m. So don't drown yourself and your precious existence by thinking about illusion and fantasies without search and study. And I want to talk to you about the unhelpful and negative spirits, these displaced and dark entities, dark energies, wave in ambulances, hospitals, because they know so many things about this multiverse, and we don't know. So we have to take care of ourselves, our body, our beautiful body, our beautiful body, our beautiful mind, our beautiful soul. Be very careful. And thanks for watching. If you have a question, if you want to ask a question, write a comment for me. And subscribe if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share. And always remember, there is only one you. They are unique. Be in the shelter of Paramatma, God. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. Love you. Amira Rani